Hi, my name is Awen, and this is my BagLove story. In today's episode, I would like to share with you a new unboxing, and this is from the brand called DC or Daily Carry. Found this brand on Instagram, and they are selling vegan bags that are made and handcrafted here in the Philippines. So when I saw this bag in particular, I really want to get it right away, and so I'd like to share it with you. I really love that they have placed their logo on their box. Nice and presentable. So now let's open. So they have their thank you card, and if you use this code, you can get their bag care guide. So I would like to check that. And also, they're partnering with Kindred. This is the first hybrid women's clinic in the Philippines. So they also have this. So another very nice detail is this like a tissue paper with their logo. Really love that very nice detail. And this is their bag inside this very thick dust bag with their logo. It's a thick material. So this is their bag. So here is the bag. It is just a tiny bag, I'm a fan of small and simple and lightweight bags. So this is called the Arianna micro shoulder from Daily Carry, and it measures, this length is 8.25 inches by 5.5 inches, and the width is 2.5 inch. It's just a small width because this is just a small bag. And one thing that really made me buy this bag is because of this very long strap, which is 10 inches. This is 10 inches drop. It's easy for me to get my things because of this very long strap. I really love the design of the bag, so I got this right away. And the color is called the taupe. This is just a simple bag, but it really looks very simple yet classy to me. I also love that they have placed their tag, simple tag, their DC. On the front, they have their logo right there, small logo, but very, very deep. And they have one pocket right here. Probably you can put your card or card holder in this area because it's just a small area. And so this is the front. I'll show you first. This is the side. This is the back. So other side. And this is the top area. So on the top, you can see it is a zippered area. They have their silver hardware, and that's open. So inside is just a plain inside, but it has a very smooth, like a suede interior that looks very classy as well. So that's it. That's the interior. This bag smells really nice. It, it smells fresh. The first vegan bag that I have in my collection that smells really fresh. I am a fan of very affordable bags. I am always buying affordable bags, and most of them doesn't smell nice, but this one smells really nice. It smells clean. And if you can see closely, look at the details of how they have made their stitchings. They're very clean and very small stitchings. I really love that small detail. You can see They're very small yet very neat and clean. You can feel the passion they have created their bags. They are very passionate about creating simple yet very high quality bags. Most of their bags are in neutral colors, and I also would like to get the army green next. That really looks nice. But this is the first color that really got my attention. I really like this color. I'm a fan of taupe. It can be paired in any outfit that you have. I really liked it. You know, I'm a fan of small bags and simple bags and lightweight bags. And because I really don't usually bring big bags, and I'm more of those small and for small errands, and since I'm not a tall person, I'm just a petite person, so small bags really are more of my style. And this, I'm pretty sure that I'll be very happy to use this bag. In case you're interested in getting this bag, they have a lot of other colors in their website. I will link their Instagram and also their Shopee store for you to buy their bags. They have a lot of other bags, but this one really got my attention, and I really am very impressed on how they have created their bag with pure dedication and passion, and even the smell of the bag. This is the first time that I've smelled this. Like, smells, it really smells fresh and new and clean. I really love that, and I really appreciate that they have made it that way. And definitely I'll be checking their Instagram again and looking for other bags in the future, but today I'll be really enjoying this Arianna micro shoulder bag. If you like this kind of content, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And if you would like to share something, what can you say about this bag? Your thoughts about this bag. If you have this bag, please do share it on my comments box below, and I'll be happy to chat with you. So that's it for today. I really hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to thank God for all the beautiful blessings. Till next time.